What's up, guys? We're filming a video for Daddy
Timothy spit on my cloth, so I can't use my glasses no more.
You can wash it off, but he'll deal with
Timothy spit on your what?
My cloth. And my glasses.
Side glasses. Y'all just really want to get
And also they spit on my
You don't
pants.
have no music to listen to?
I'm trying to find it.
He has spit on the radio?
Yeah. I don't do that.
I'm enjoying just talking to them, really. Hearing them talk.
Oh, y'all. I hope you think you're really funny, because you're going to have some walls to clean.
Xavier, I want you to sell some of my shirts.
Huh?
I want you to sell some of my shirts at your school.
I'll do that, yeah.
And I'll let you wear them for promotion.
Nana.
Okay.
And if they want it, then just let me know, and then you can sell it to them.
Okay.
Make sure you clear that through your parents.
But he's gonna keep the money. David's gonna keep the money.
No, he's not gonna keep the money. He's gonna give it to me, and then I'm gonna give him some. We're both gonna make some money.
So like you give me some of the shirts that you made, and so I can wear them at school, and then if they want to buy some, they can.
Like
Yeah,
this
exactly.
video. Bye. This was great.
That's simple, right?
Oh, I need you to stop at Kaiser on Palmdale Boulevard.
You know how to get there?
Yeah, just get off on Palmdale.
Still can't see me.
Alright, don't let me pass it up. Please. You know they're not gonna say that now because the camera's on. You
Huh?
gotta record it without them knowing.
If this stops them, it stops them. If not, I got it. Either way,
Why don't you just live stream it instead?
He looks back to where he comes through.
Leave me
I
alone.
don't think they might do something really crazy.
Just put it on private so ain't nobody else see it.
So, I'll try. Yes, I'm watching you, all three of you. Go ahead, continue. Let your dad know what y'all need. Uh-huh. Be funny.
Can you
to the
scoot over there, please?
Very funny.
I'm not trying to be funny.
Yeah, I test her off the test.
I'm trying to be
Nice.
hilarious.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I need to get me one. Oh shit, I could have been in one. If I'll stop giving people my
Then
money.
there what?
Oh, that's right.
What?
Buy your mama a Tesla. I'm driving.
I said I was gonna get me one. No.
Yeah, you get you one and you want to. You don't want to give me one?
Yeah, and about time I get enough money to buy a Tesla,
You
I
gotta turn this in or
don't
something.
think you'd be able to drive it.
Never let go of this. I'm not gonna get
It'll
too far.
drive for me. Hello.
It does?
It's a Tesla.
Tesla drive on its own?
Yeah. We saw one driving by itself.
No,
Without even a person in the car.
you didn't, Hannah?
Yeah, me and Uncle Ryan was standing right there, and the man was remote control driving his own car. Remember that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the car can drive you, matter of fact, but it's not the best though. Still got some kinks and bugs to work out.
By the time I get one, it'll be worked out.
I want them to make
Drive
a
you,
flying
just drive
car
you
where they
home.
have like a lane of
You can sit on
magnets.
you can sit and watch a movie or something while you car driving.
Well, they're gonna do that for you, Xavier.
Huh?
that. Don't wear it.
Because I already know how they're gonna make it. Like they're gonna have a lane on the road full of metal magnet, and then on the street it's gonna be like positive, and then
Man, y'all some good kids back there.
on the bottom of the car it's probably gonna be like a negative magnet, and then it's gonna like push it forward.
You got 2 trunks, and the engine is underneath the car. So you got a trunk in the front and a trunk in the back.
Really?
Yeah, you got a lot of space. And then you can let the seats down, and I can lay down in there. It's so big.
I thought the engine was in the back and
No, it's underneath. So you got two trunks in the big Teslas, the hatchback ones.
in the US
SUV Tesla.
yeah.
I don't really want to
What
call it
about the
that. I
SUV
think it's a model. I
Lamborghini?
think it's a Model S.
What about the SUV Lamborghini?
I don't know about that. I want to get a Tesla. And you get Wi-Fi for free too in there. In the Tesla, every Tesla has free Wi-Fi in it.
Well,
How
yeah,
good is
you're
the Wi-Fi?
paying for it.
Huh?
You're paying for it.
You said what, Xavier?
How good is the Wi-Fi?
It's pretty good. It got me where I needed to go because my phone died and I needed to use Google Maps. So I just used the Wi-Fi off of the Tesla to get back. So when I was test driving it, my phone died. I forgot my charger.
Oh.
I know they was like,
Oh, you was test driving the Tesla?
Yeah.
this dude bringing back the Tesla.
I wasn't going that long. I was only going like 40 minutes.
Lamborghini,
Okay.
and
Like almost an hour.
If they can remote control, bring the car back, right?
I don't know if they can.
that'd be cool
I
because
think they just depended on people to be, upright.
Like exactly how far you can go with a Tesla.
I did some door dashes in it on the other side of town, then I came back. And then, and then it was fast. That thing accelerates like nobody's business, man.
And I know there was like a Tesla is delivering.
It has sensors everywhere. Sensors
Did
on
they
the side,
say
sensors in
anything?
the front, sensors in the back.
I know, I like them sensors.
And then you have wireless chargers right here in the front, so you didn't need no cables. You just drop your phone, and it's like this little wireless charger bed. You just
Yeah.
drop your phone in there, and it just charges it. The phones that have the capability. It has to be a 3rd generation, I
How's
think.
the sound system?
It's great. It's excellent. It's loud.
it does have
They
to
have
be
Pandora in there, free Wi-Fi in there, no gas. You don't pay no gas because you can just charge it anywhere. So, but the payments are like about $400 or $500 a month.
That's it.
Yeah.
for how many months?
Until you pay off the $50,000. It's better to just pay it off faster. If you can pay a G a month, then you can just do it like that.
That's what I would do. I would just buy
I want to come with
everything.
like maybe 10 down at least, maybe 10 or 20 down if I could. And then
Y'all protect your credit and you can go far.
But I kind of have a second thoughts of being a surgeon.
Sit calm down.
Because you have to do surgery on anybody that needs surgery.
that's these fairgrounds. That's right. Palmdale Road, right lane.
Yeah.
Is it fairgrounds or is it Palmdale?
It's Palmdale Road.
So y'all going to what, Jeremy's wedding or something?
Nope. They didn't invite us.
No.
Wow.
Was it Jeremy or who was it?
It's Justin's.
Oh,
wedding.
Justin's wedding.
Jeremy
Adam's
already
going.
married.
Yeah, Adam's going.
Oh, is it? Wow, that's cool. I wish you was going. Hey, but did your mom see it right
Sorry.
now?
I'm looking at these Google Map directions.
Ooh, somebody broke down.
He grabbed onto my
So what are y'all going to Texas for exactly?
Oh, for the wedding.
You guys just said was you going for the wedding?
Yeah,
Nana's
I
going for
said
the wedding
yeah.
because she
I
was
have my
invited.
hair like this.
And this might be the last time we get to see
I'm
Daddy,
actually gonna grab
See who?
my daddy, Grandpa, great grandpa to them.
Nana,
So
this
it's
been going
history.
for 9 minutes.
History in the making.
Bye.
Yeah, well, Timothy, I guess I could keep it on you a little longer. How about that?
I'm
3 the
tired.
hard ways. Oh, you tired? Go to sleep.
I can't go sleep when people's watching me.
Oh, Well, if you keep doing wrong, get used to people watching you. Okay?
People watching me is creepy. That's why I wake up in the morning so people won't watch
Why
me.
is
I
it
watch
creepy?
them.
Why is it creepy, Timothy?
Because that's how I get up in the morning.
No, I said, why is it creepy for people to watch you?
That's kind of what our RV looks like,
they
but
might
it's way
be
more longer.
plotting something
Go left.
to destroy me or something, or to prank me.
No.
Cause
So you think that I'm watching you to prank you?
no, you're watching me to show this to Dad.
I'm watching you to see who's
Exactly.
doing what.
And now you're acting all good.
Since people been lying
So
to
you're
me,
scared, basically.
saying they not doing nothing.
You ain't yelled or nothing since you turned on the phone.
Why are you moving your tongue like that?
That's not me in my tongue.
So, and just so you know,
So that's
I
how
got-
you kids that act right just start filming
I
them.
can record 12 hours till you go to sleep, and then
And you on the charger too. So
and
yeah,
I
you
download it to Facebook. I mean to YouTube, and then I'm
You
ready
can just
to
trim it to the
start.
area
No.
you need.
I'm ready to start again tomorrow.
No.
Well, just do the right thing. You don't have nothing to worry about.
Do not.
Yeah,
you put
that's
this
how I
on
feel too
YouTube.
about when I'm on my channel. Like, it makes me just want to live better all around.
Then
Like
why
my
did you
diet,
throw
like
me?
a lot of things, you know.
Yeah.
Because I could really see myself.
Get off
like,
of me,
you
you
know,
weirdo.
I'm in front of the world,
Yeah, that's cool.
so it makes me want to be better, I guess, in a way.
See Kaiser over there? You gotta go left at the light.
Not this light. That's the freeway.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying the next one. Can you not drive my car like you want to do a Zion?
What you talking about? They honked at me. I honked back.
Oh, just saying the way you drive. Look at my guys. Them some handsome young men back there.
I'm hungry.
Hold on. I'll get your spaghetti. I got it out the trash for you. You didn't want to waste food, did you?
Damien's saying that I have big, what girls have in their chest area, and my stomach is the size of a giant donut.
So you can hit back at him and say, dude, you probably should be quiet.
Where are we
So
going?
yours
That's not
get
what I
bigger.
said.
Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I
I
going?
said,
Just park
your
around to
belly's
the
big and
pharmacy.
you ate
here?
10 hamburgers and you wanted more
Right
after.
there?
Around
And
the
you also
corner
said,
pharmacy.
I have man boobies. Not sure
Oh, that's where we got a corona.
You got to clap back for him, CJ? Think of something.
Yes. You're so ugly. Some people think that you're Ron McDonald.
How can I be
Ooh,
Ron
that's
McDonald
kinda
if I'm not
creepy.
white?
Ron McDonald is dead, and also he's a clown. And he's
Oh, you can
creepy.
park in the
And he's
handicap
dead.
if that's
And he
handy.
looks like Chucky.
Is
And
that
you
a
guys know that?
handicap?
he looks like it.
Yep.
Okay.
If Ron McDonald was gay, then how did he have a wife?
Clip.
Who's his
Stick
wife?
the handicap thing.
He's-
You
he's,
got him, Ryan? You got him?
No, what do you mean? You're getting out, right?
Yeah.
Are they going with you?
No, they just stay in here. You can
Can I
record
record?
them.
Can I record, please?
Touch me, Timothy.
We can go off.
Yeah,
I
touch
don't
me.
want to hold
What
it.
does that mean?
I want to give me your head.
No,
Tell
no.
me it's hot. You need some more water.
I don't go.
I need water. I'm at 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Olga Ryan.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever met your manager for DoorDash?
Okay.
How much does the
No, you don't meet anybody.
Huh?
You don't meet anybody.
Then who's paying? Who's giving you the money? Who's paying for the cards?
You're like
for
an
DoorDash
independent
delivery?
contractor.
They send it to you in the mail. You just tell them online. You apply to your phone,
But
and then they send it to you on the mail.
But do you know who's paying for all the money?
The company.
Oh,
There's
I'm
a
sorry. I
company.
got to stop it
Yeah.
because I got to ask Krisha if it's any prescription she needed to get.
Oh, there might be something for Asia.